Weche matimore Lolwe counties makalwe county ma Kisumu en jopuonjre mahewa 100 kar chung'od bura ma Kisumu West oyudo bags mabeyo magi biro bedo ka giting'o e gigo duto magidwaro e kinde mabende gin malo. Women rep e county ma Kisumu Mikael Rosa Buyu owacho ni ka gitiyo kod migawo mar Youth and Public Service, nyiri mawuok e skunde mag primary kod secondary kaka ochok kadongo kanyakla kod skuno ero mar Sabambe oyudo mich makamago eko. Mikael Buyu bende omedo wacho ni bag makamano ero oting'o gik mathoth moriwo kanyakla taulo mag ria kata sanitary towels, pans kata sirweche, toothpaste, toothbrush kanyakla kod mamoko mabende biro konyo nyiri makamago eko. Opogo bags makamago e boma ma Kisumu kagin kaachiel kod CAS migawo no ero mar Youth and Public Service Mikael Recho Shebesh.
Okay, so as everybody has seen during this time of Corona, we have had an increased number of pregnancies with girls who have been forced to stay at home. Of course, most of the girls have told us, and research has told us, that these girls are going to young men, mostly boda, who have money every day, mostly to get sanitary pads. That's why they sleep with these young men. Unfortunately, when that happens and they get pregnant, you can't really chase the young man because it was not. It's a situation that is unfolding because of Corona. It is not when a girl gets pregnant, then you try and get someone, you don't know who she's going to marry, you don't know what's going to happen. This is just a reflection of what Corona has done to us. But as government, we have no excuse. We cannot say because of Corona, then girls continue to get pregnant. So this is one of the ways we are intervening. We don't run the sanitary program ourselves, but this is a partner of our ministry called UNFPA. So UNFPA has been supporting us to do this. But I also know that in the office of the Women Rep and in the Ministry of Education, where the work of sanitary pads is, there is a rollout plan, and I hope it will be very soon. Inside these packs, we have given girls the sanitary pads, of course, and then we have given them panties, because shockingly, people do not know that most girls don't even have panties, and so you cannot wear a sanitary pad without a panty, or that their panties are worn out. So it's a sense of dignity. That's why we are calling it a dignity kit. We chose not pads, we came and went. We looked at the whole dignity of wearing a pad. Then we gave them soap, of course, so that they can wash well, toothbrush and a toothpaste. We gave them a torch, we gave them the detergent and a comb. What else did we give them? I think that's what we gave them. Something that gives you dignity. There is no woman, no girl who can leave her house without combing her hair, who doesn't want to apply lotion on her hand, who doesn't want to bath with soap. That's what the dignity pack is about. But I'm also calling on parents to please help us to, manage the girls now that they're at home. Try as much as possible to know where your children are. Mm-hmm. Yes.
How many schools are enrolled in this program?
Oh, this program, as I told you, is a UNFPA program. It's not enrolling schools. What we've been doing is empowering political leadership. So Rosa is one of our recipients.
Wabiro ka mondo wane nyithindwa manyiri ma jo klas 8 gi. Wabiro mondo watwag kodgi. Wang'eyo ni weche mahimo nyiri ng'eny, to samoro dwach nyiri be ng'eny, to kamoro jonyuolgi onge gi uwezo manyalo chopo go dwachgi go. Koro kawuono wariwre gi Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Public Service, to wariwore kod UNFPA ma chiwo dignity bags ne nyithindo manyiri. Ei bag ni, nyathi manyiri yudo sirweche 3, nyathi manyako kendo yudo sanitary pads 3 packets monyalo tiyo go for 3 months. Ochako yudo omo monyalo luoko go sirweche nego. Ochako yudo toothbrush to gi toothpaste. Timiye koda ragol, timiye koda sabund luok, timiye koda bag modhige school. Watimo kama mondo kik bed ni nyathi koro ok som ni nikech dwache koro oingo uwezo mar jonyuolne.